ebyombeko ebine byabire birye by'ishomero rya Albert Secondary School muri Rusaka Upper omurembo rwa Hoima.
One of the things we are going to do as the fourth governing council is to develop a master plan for this site, and we are going to be looking vertical, and we shall present it to government.
At one moment, I was almost also injured when I came to this institution and the students were rioting. And they told me, go back with your principal. And the cause of all that was limited resources that were in this institution, especially accommodation facilities.
Ekizira obwanyuma ya government kwegaruza ishomero rya Albert Secondary School kandi ebyombeko ebyo bwahatebera mu Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery bwanyuma yo kugurwa shilingi billioni 2 na milioni 800.
Our computers are very old. Usually people give a lifespan of 5 years. Ours are more than 10 years old.
Minisita Minisita Kasaija yabanza kwetorora ebyombeko byona na bwanyuma nuko kwiguraho mbutongore hamwe no kubyara umuti. Mark Karanzi mukuru w'ishomereri yayanjura Minisita Kasaija bumwa buremezi obwitendekere ryine.
Our capitation grant has never matched the population we have. It's our prayer that we could also match the level of other institutions.
Now that they have all been put together under one structure, one campus, I can assure you that it is much easier to secure them and also ensure that their property and lives are secured, because it's one of the principles and responsibilities of this government.
Minisita Kasaija yashabitendekero kushashura ibanja nko kubaragine na banki y'abahire sente.
You are extremely essential for the human race. I think I already said that. So you should work with your heads up.
Ishomero rya Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery eryatandikirwa mu 2011. Gashakwanwa gaba Ambrose Katoto.